Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to sell crypto in Trust Wallet. So if you also want to sell crypto in Trust Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is open your Trust Wallet application. After the authentication, you'll be led to this kind of interface. This is the home page of Trust Wallet. Make sure you're logged into your account. Over here, you'll be able to see several options: send, receive, buy, sell, and history. If you want to sell your crypto, simply tap on the sell option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see several cryptos. You'll have to select the crypto that you want to sell. If you do not find the crypto over here, you can also search for it. Simply tap on the search bar. Now type in the crypto that you want to sell. Now simply tap on that particular crypto. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to enter the amount that you want to sell. Simply enter the amount. If you want to change the currency, tap on the currency icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you'll be able to select the currency. Simply tap on the currency of your country. Now at bottom, you'll be able to see the option for sell. After entering the amount, this option will be activated. But since my balance is exceeded, this option is not activated for me. All you have to do is tap on that option. After that, you'll have to select the payment provider. Complete the remaining steps to sell your crypto. So that is how you sell crypto in Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.